Hey guys, Trace back here. Just wanted to bring you a quick video on changing out the gas rings in your AR. And I do apologize, I've had some camera issues, so it's been a little hard for me to do videos without my camera. So got it back working, so it's time to roll out with the videos. But real quick, just want to change out the gas rings in my AR, in my bolt carrier. What happened was I went to the range and everything worked fine with it. Got back, went to do some cleaning with it, then to clean the rifle, and noticed that my bolt carrier was failing the test for my gas rings. It just collapses just off of the weight of the bolt carrier, so that lets me know that I need to change them out. When I looked at it, let's get this open here. When I opened it up and looked at it to clean it, I noticed that let me show you this real quick. If you look at the gas rings here, let's see if I can get that on there clear. Let's see if I can get that clear for you. Right here, if you look right here, the gas ring is way wider than it should be here. It's opened up. Looks like it's blown out some, so it's way open here. So that lets me know that gas rings are bad. Need to go ahead and get them out of there. So we're gonna go ahead and get those out of there real quick, and put the new ones in. Order some new ones here that we're gonna go ahead and install in. So real quick, it's real simple to do. All you got to do is pop out the old ones. Just gotta get those out of there. Just pop that off. And number 3. And we got those off right there. So that's it without them. And we'll just go ahead and install the new ones. And all you're gonna do is just pull them up and over. Just kind of feed it in there. And then the last one. Just feed it on around. And there you go. Now, what you want to do is you don't want these little grooves here lined up. So what we're going to do is take them and move them. And just get them so they're not lined up together, so they're in different spots. Just like so. And instantly I can already tell their difference. So, that's simple. You got your old ones here, and this is the one that looks like it was burnt out. It's messed up. Yeah. Compared to the other ones. So let's get that back together and let's see if it works out right. Let's go ahead and get this back in there. Yeah, I can already tell a difference. There we go. Alright, seems to work pretty good. Let's get it back together, take it to the range, and see what we got. And that's how you change the gas rings in your AR. Trace out. Have a good one.